Hi Dhanush garu, welcome. Hi Soundarya garu, welcome. And yes, special welcome to Kajal garu.
Why don't we get special welcome?
Because we have met you before and we are meeting Kajal
So
garu
next
for the
time we are
first
not
time.
coming. Just because she met us before, no special welcome for us.
No, you are always here, no?
I'm not
See,
always
we
here.
don't welcome. No, we welcomed you with
We
Raghuvaran
want a
BTech.
special welcome like Kajal.
Okay,
Otherwise,
a
I'm not
very,
continuing
very
this.
special welcome to multi-talented Dhanush
I'm
garu.
talking for the both of us.
Yeah,
You
why do
give
you want
us
to
yeah,
special
no, no.
welcome? Give us
No, I'll give a special,
Just say
another
special
welcome to
welcome.
Soundarya garu
okay.
now. Yeah.
Mine, I got it.
And the most special welcome to Soundarya garu. Yes. So, Raghuvaran BTech కామ్గా వచ్చింది తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీలోకి బట్ చాలా మంచి పెద్ద సక్సెస్ అయిపోయింది సో ఎందుకంటే మోస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ది యూత్ గైస్ రిలేటెడ్గా ఉన్న క్యారెక్టరైజేషన్ వల్ల చాలా బాగా రీచ్ అయిపోయింది సో ఇప్పుడు డైరెక్ట్గా VIP 2 టైటిల్నే తీసుకొచ్చేసారేంటి హౌ కమ్ అంటే VIP బాగా పాపులర్ అయిపోయిందనా కాజల్ మ్యామ్
I don't have to answer this question, thank God. I know. They have to answer this question, so I'm good.
సూపర్
VIP is the franchise, basically the franchise,
Yes.
and since it's going to continue also as 3 and 4,
Okay.
I wanted it to be VIP. The
Okay.
franchise should be VIP and not Raghuvaran BTech, so hence it's VIP 2, and we have given the proper explanation for what VIP is in Telugu as well.
ఓ
And to clarify, this is a straight Telugu film. It's not a dubbed film.
ఎస్ ఎస్
Yes, yeah.
ఎస్ సో వెలైల పట్టదారి
Very important Panlenudu.
వావ్
That's the title.
మీ నుంచి తెలుగులో వస్తే ఎంత బాగా అనిపిస్తుంది తెలుసా ఓకే
Little, I get Telugu.
ఓ సూపర్
It's like in Telugu.
I get that.
Oh, you get
speak
that.
Yeah.
యా సో కాజల్ మ్యామ్ ఈ సినిమాలో చేస్తున్నారు అంటే చాలా మందికి ఒక స్పెషల్ అటెన్షన్ వచ్చేసింది మామూలుగానే VIP మీద చాలా మంచి ఇంప్రెషన్ ఉంది ఇంకా కాజల్ మ్యామ్ ఉన్నారు అంటే ఏమై ఉంటుంది క్యారెక్టర్ ఎంతో ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంటే తప్ప కాజల్ గారిని మీరు అప్రోచ్ అయ్యి ఉండరు అని వి నో దాట్ సో హౌ ఇంపార్టెంట్ మ్యామ్స్ క్యారెక్టర్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ ద మూవీ
I think Ma'am's the most important character.
Okay.
So let me finish, sir. You don't let me finish
Honestly,
only.
this over enthusiasm for your own self.
No, you don't let me
I
finish.
need another man in this interview.
You don't.
Bring Sean Roden.
Stop it.
Ma'am, the question was why. What
Because
is
I'm
your
a very
role in this film?
important person. I am the very important person. He is the Vela Ella Pattadari. He is the Vela, I am the very.
that is the difference
Yes, exactly. So, and that is what the film is about. He's the Vela, I am the very important person, and Vela meets a very important person and they fight.
Yeah.
That's the whole film.
No, you must have, in part 1 you saw Raghuvaran, the character, searching for a job, not getting a job, and then what happens.
Yes,
But in this
yes.
movie, it's a sequel. So this is what happened to Raghuvaran from where you saw him last.
Oh.
So the character Madam plays is called Vasundhara Parameshwaran, and I don't think anybody else, I'm not saying this because ma'am's here, but I've said it all along, I don't think anybody else can be more stylish and more suave and more, like she just held the character, and I think everybody will just fall in love with
And
Vasundhara.
Raghuvaran held his lungi very well. But he drove his scooty also very well.
Mofa.
Mofa.
yeah this one
Yeah, that one, exactly that one, yeah.
ఓ అది కూడా సీక్వెల్ లో కంటిన్యూ అవుతుంది
Everything
Everything.
continues.
రఘువరన్ బీటెక్ అనేది ఒక జర్నీ ఆఫ్ ఎ గై అంటే ఒక గ్రాడ్యుయేట్ అయిన అబ్బాయి ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ లేకుండా ఉన్న అతను ఎలా ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ అండ్ రెస్పాన్సిబుల్ పర్సన్గా మారుతాడు అన్నది సో అండ్ దట్ జర్నీ కంటిన్యూస్ అంటే ఇంకా ఆ పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ టైం నుంచి ఉంటుంది కదా సో ఇందులో ఎలాంటి ఎమోషన్స్ కనిపించబోతున్నాయి మాకు వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ ఎమోషన్స్ ఆర్ వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ స్టోరీ వుడ్ బి
So Tanush sir has written the story for this
Okay.
film, and so he'll answer this question.
ఓ
Oh.
ఎస్ నౌ యు ఆర్ ద
Yeah,
వెరీ
we
ఇంపార్టెంట్
can talk
పర్సన్
I'm doing all that.
Like you said, the Raghuvaran BTech part 1 was all about a journey of an unemployed engineering graduate, and the sequel is about even if you get a job, it's not very easy to become successful in the same field. Engineering is not an easy field for every other engineering student to become successful or make a lot of money. It's not like that. It's not that simple. And this is about basically the challenges he has to face. and and there is another big world that he enters. That world is called Vasundhara, Vasundhara's world. And when this simple world collides with this massive world, what happens? And this is not just a film about, you know, like one villain and one hero. It's not like that. It's about two different individuals who believe in their own ideologies. Thank you. And it's much more that, yeah, my English is a little bad, so I know you're laughing. So ideologies, and it's also about, there's a very important message also that we have given through this film, and which you will have to wait and watch it in the film. And if I say that, then there's
no film.
Even we don't want
so,
you to
and
say.
when all the elements that what impressed audience through the through part 1, Raghuvaran B.Tech, it all continues in this film, like the Mofa, like the dog Harry Potter,
Yes.
like father, like that brother, like the Amla Paul's role. I mean, she gets married in part 1, and what happens after that? You know, what happens after marriage?
Right.
So I guess we all know. And
Okay.
and every other part from part 1 is continuing in the sequel. And like I said before, again, but I would just keep it simple this time. When this simple world of Raghuvaran, that middle class world
Yes.
of Raghuvaran
Yes.
meets this big world, what happens?
Okay, that is what is VIP 2. Kajal ma'am. Yeah, how did you react when they approached you with this film, with this project?
You're
and
going to be
this
very,
character?
very polite, and you're going to give a different story. Okay.
Oh my god.
So now that we're not
అయితే
going
ఇప్పుడు
to the
కాజల్
film,
మ్యామ్ సో ఇప్పుడు మీరు ఏం చెప్తారో మేము దానికి
lie.
ఆపోజిట్ లో అర్థం చేసుకోవాలేమో.
I'm always polite. I'm never impolite. But so now that we're not going with the truth, let me give you the fairy tale that we're planning to sell you.
Oh my
I
god.
think the word I was going for was, you're going to be nice to us.
If you
No,
like
but
what
we
I-
want the truth. We want to know the truth.
Tell no ma'am truth.
Yeah.
We didn't lie to her, that much I want to put on the table. Now,
Yes.
now she'll continue with it.
Yes, people all over the world, we never lied to her.
We didn't.
That was a joke that went across terribly wrong. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'll start with the fact that they lied to me. No, actually, they approached me with the film and they were like, you know, we really want you to do this film, etc. So I told them, I said, see, I'm not doing the film, but I'll hear the script if you really want me to.
Okay.
So they were very sweetly, nicely, they came down and says, ma'am, we really want you to hear the script, just hear it and say no. So I said, okay, I'll hear it and I'll say no, but be prepared for no.
Okay.
So they came over and they were like, oh, you know, they narrated the film and they narrated the whole script. And I really liked it. I was like, I really like it, but it's in Tamil, I'm not doing it.
Yeah.
So then they lied to me. No, I'm just kidding. Basically, they were like, you know, ma'am, we're gonna have 50% of your dialogue. We're gonna be in English.
Which
and you're
is
gonna
in
be
English.
One second, let me finish the story. I have only said one statement so far. So, first of all, they said that there's 50% of the dialogues are in English. And ma'am, the rest of the 50%, it doesn't matter if you speak Chinese
That I said.
or Thai
That I
or
said.
Punjabi. It will not make a difference
Okay.
because we will manage and we will work around it. So I was very impressed. I
It
was
was
like,
just
"Are
a
you
figure of
sure?"
speech.
He says, you see, even if you say A, B, C, D and 1, 2, 3, 4, we will manage.
Okay.
Did you or did you not say that?
I did.
You or did you not say that?
But I
Let
did.
me
I did.
finish. Let me
I did.
finish the story.
Yeah.
I'm saying I did.
Me
Yeah.
finish the story.
Yes, ma'am.
So, then after that, after giving me these assurances that this was going to happen and this is the way it was going to happen, I landed up on the set
Okay.
on the first day and I was handed a 3-page scene which had only Tamil dialogues. I want you to know there were 10 words in English in that whole scene.
she
I counted
counted
it.
so well.
There were 10 words of English in that. How does that constitute 50%?
See.
Either they're really bad at maths
Yeah.
See,
or
you meet a
they
legend.
lied.
You meet a legend like Kajol, man.
Oh.
And you tell her, ma'am, you speak in ABCD 1, 2, 3. You just know like she's not going to do that because she's a thorough professional.
I said, yeah, I
you know,
told them, but I tried to say ABCD in 1, 2, 3.
she's a great performer. She's obviously not going to come in front of the camera and say ABCD. It's
But
just
I never
understood,
said
you
that
know.
I'm not a great performer. I never said that I'm not a thorough professional. The truth of the matter is, I only said that you lied.
Which we knew.
We said there was some, and yeah, but then.
So then you might have told all the dialogues ABCD and
No,
1,
then
2,
I told
3.
them to call somebody else and finish the rest of the film with them.
Oh.
But then we decided, after that, they said, ma'am, why don't you do a few shots? Let's at least finish today. So I said, okay, let's at least try working. So we tried working for about the first day, second day. And then by the third day, I got the hang of it, fortunately, touch wood. And
So
we
on the
completed
first
the
day
rest of the
itself,
film.
how did you manage to get all the 3 pages dialogues in Tamil?
With great difficulty. And we reshot that scene, if I remember correctly. So
Man, we reshot that scene for different reasons.
No,
Not for the
but jokes
language.
apart, ma'am, she
No, but
learned
jokes
the
apart,
words.
honestly, it was a learning experience, and
I'm
I thoroughly
so glad we
thanked
finally
them.
arrived to jokes apart part. You know?
I'm not saying that you didn't lie to me.
అంటే ఇప్పటి వరకు చెప్పిందంత
But-
జోక్స్ ఏనా ఐఎమ్
But-
కన్ఫ్యూజ్డ్
1 second, Manju, let me finish my
please.
statement.
ప్లీజ్ మ్యామ్
Yes. So now, jokes apart, I am very, very happy that I did the film, because there was this huge thing in my head that I would not be able to do a film in another language, and it was this phobia, or it was this barrier in my head, which broke and which kind of gave me a sense of satisfaction that I have been able to do a film in another language, and hopefully, touch wood, whatever I've seen of it, do it well. So I thank them for that, for working with me and around me and making it so very, very easy to do that.
చాలా ఐ థింక్ ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ టైమ్ యూఆర్ బ్యాక్ టు తమిళ్ ఫిల్మ్ ఇండస్ట్రీ ఐ థింక్ మెరుపు కళలు అప్పుడు చూసిన
I've only done 2 films, so
yeah, that's what
counting this one.
So after that you are doing VIP2 in Tamil.
Right.
So after this long gap, how did you feel entering to Tamil film industry again?
Like I said, I was hesitant about the language.
Okay.
At first,
But it's the
I
Dhanush
was
factor that convinced her. I'm joking.
apprehensive
Before you could say
about
anything mean to her.
I was apprehensive about speaking the language.
She'll say something really mean.
No, we are on camera. Wait, it goes off. I'll wait.
Okay.
So no, I was apprehensive about speaking Tamil, but and that's one of the reasons why I haven't done a film in any other language so far. Because like I said, I could not believe that I would be able to do justice to any kind of a role in another language. But like I said, they told me that my dialogues are 50% in English. So I believed them and I agreed to do the film. And but I have to say that was one thing that both of them worked very, very hard on. That they both worked very, very hard on working with me and around me to make sure that
She did it very easily.
to make sure
I'm
that
telling you,
it
she
worked
came.
out very, very. Wait, why do you keep interrupting me? Let me give you a compliment in peace. No, first of all, so when I'm saying mean things about you, you're like, why are you saying mean things about me? Now I'm complimenting you now. You're
This is what used to happen every day on
That's
set.
what I'm gonna ask you.
I'm very used to this happening.
Wait, ma'am. We did not have to work hard on her. It was very easy. She did it very easily. It was a cakewalk for her. And the language part on that was only day 1. That too, she was like, okay, that's all.
Easy
Day
na.
2, she did it very easily, and she's, of course, yeah, we're talking about Kajol here, and we know who she is and what she's capable of. She's
Yes.
a very, very
We all know what I'm capable of.
as a performer, and she's.
Am I speaking of anything?
She was. Take it when it comes, you know. She's
my God.
fantastic on screen, and she's a thorough professional. I'm not trying to flatter you; it's the truth.
It's
So,
the truth.
and she did a great job, and we did not have to work hard like that. And all. It was very simple for us. We had a blast shooting for this,
we had a great
and
time shooting.
we had fun. We were always laughing, and like this only on sets also. That shows you how easy it was for us,
Definitely.
and how easy it was for her as well. And she did it very easily, and you should watch the film to see see how she overshadowed me in the film, and which I'm very happy
I
about.
haven't overshadowed in the film. Trust
No,
me.
which
No,
I'm very.
I think I'll have to step in there. I think as the director, they both complement each other so well on screen, and they're such amazing
Like,
actors.
yeah,
And
this is
so the
super.
chemistry that they share, you know, even when
Now I'm keeping quiet. Now you're like, why are you keeping
No,
quiet?
I'm saying certain scenes, even when I'm there also, I'm not looking at me, I'm looking at ma'am only when she's there on screen. I
Oh
mean,
my
she's
No, but I think, but I think what's really nice is the fact, like he put it, the film is about the two. They have two very, very different ways of thinking. They have two very different ideas about life and who they are and what they believe in.
Okay.
And when people are two such stubborn individuals, and you know, I believe in what I believe in, and you believe in what you believe in,
Right.
we are bound to clash,
Right.
because we refuse to see the other person's point of view from, you know, a general perspective. And I think that's what's so interesting to watch is, you know, how each of them sees the world. It's so
Okay.
interesting to see.
వావ్ ఓకే రఘువరన్ బీటెక్లో బాగా ఎమోషనల్గా కనెక్ట్ అయిన ఎలిమెంట్ అమ్మ శరణ్య గారు ప్లే చేసిన క్యారెక్టర్ సో యా అంటే అమ్మ క్యారెక్టర్ అనేది ఆ సినిమాలోనే యూనో ఆగింది కాబట్టి ఇప్పుడు అలాంటి ఎమోషన్ ఏదైనా ఈ సినిమాలో క్యారీ ఫార్వర్డ్ అవుతుందా
ఈ ఫిల్మ్ లో అమ్మ ఉన్నారు.
ఓకే ఓకే
ఎలా ఉన్నారని మీరు వెయిట్ చేసి చూడండి.
సినిమాలో చూడాలి
అవును.
ఓ ఇది ఇంకా హాయిగా ఉంది వినడానికి సీరియస్లీ ఇంకా క్యూరియాసిటీ పెంచింది వాట్ కుడ్ బి దాట్ అని
I mean,
we'll
your
have-
your mother never actually leaves you.
ఎస్ డెఫినెట్లీ సో ఆఫ్టర్ లాంగ్ టైమ్ మీరు తమిళ్లో చేశారు యూ హ్యావ్ డిడ్ ఎ తమిళ్ మూవీ విఐపి అండ్ ఆల్సో యునో తెలుగు వాళ్ళని కూడా పలకరిస్తున్నారు లైక్ విఐపి 2 సో ఈస్ దర్ ఎనీ ఛాన్స్ టు కంటిన్యూ దిస్ ఇన్ అదర్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ లైక్ తమిళ్ తెలుగు అని
I don't speak the language. Let me be
Okay.
very clear about it.
Okay.
That I don't speak Tamil. I do not speak Telugu. It is difficult for me.
Mm.
So yes, I have broken that barrier in my head.
Mm.
But if I do another film, it would have to be with that condition and with the people obviously understanding where I'm coming from and how to work around it.
ఓకే సో అది మేనేజ్ చేసుకోగలిగితే యూ ఆర్ ఓకే విత్ ఇట్ ఐ మీన్ ఇఫ్ దే కెన్ మేనేజ్ దట్ లాంగ్వేజ్
Yeah.
ఓకే సో ఐ థింక్ విఐపి 2 రఘువరన్ బీటెక్ లాగే అందరి హార్ట్ టచ్ చేసి మంచి సక్సెస్ అవుతుంది అని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ బోత్ ఆఫ్ యూ అండ్ థ్యాంక్ యూ టు ద విఐపి 2 టీమ్ ఫర్ బ్రింగింగ్ కాజోల్ గారు బ్యాక్ టు అస్ యా థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్ మ్యామ్ వెరీ నైస్ మీటింగ్ యూ ఆల్ థ్యాంక్ యూ
Thank you so much.
Hi Indigo It's viewers, this is Anu Emanuel.
exclusive videos.
For more interviews
And gossips.
news and much more.
Please subscribe to IG Telugu.